Hi, I'm with Truck and Auto Diagnostic Tools.com, and I'm here to talk about the FCAR-F3SN. This is I would say a mid-range diagnostic tool that you can use for a whole host of diagnostic needs. It comes with quite a bit of interconnectability as far as different connectors. We've got the Volvo, you got the diesel, and the cat machinery. I'll take these out and show them to you in a little bit. We've also got power cords here, and then this unit is kind of unique. It doesn't hook up to a laptop. It hooks up to a this standalone unit here. Let me get this out of the bag. This is the interface unit that it has. It comes with a printer, and I'll get it all hooked up and show you guys how it works. This FCAR F3N also F3SN also comes with a OBD2 connector, and then it also has an adapter for self-diagnosis as well. So yeah, get hooked up. So I pulled those connectors out, and I can show them to you here. You've got your cat machinery cable. You've got your diesel 6x9s right here, 6 and 9 pin connectors, and then you've got your typical Volvo connector here. Then I got the unit plugged in. We'll get it started up. Hopefully the glare's not too bad. There we go. So it's got standalone software that comes with the unit, and I'll get it hooked up to a truck here, and we'll be able to kind of go through some of the modules and see kind of what the interface is like for the software. So I'll get that hooked up. This is the procedure to start your, just get the software running on your FCAR. So you just go to this website, you scan the QR code, and it'll give you a number, and you plug that number in, and then you're good to go. So it's just showing that process. So I'm going to quickly go through the vehicles that pertain to this this scan tool. We can go through the heavy duty ones first. It'll do Auto Car, Freightliner, GMC Truck, International Kenworth Max, Peterbilt's, Pierce, Sterling, Western Star. Pretty versatile unit. Benz Trucks, DAF, Volvo, and then other European brands or whatever. I will get to the diesel engines that it'll cover. It'll cover Cat, Cummins, Detroit, PACCAR, and Perkins. It'll cover John Deere, New Holland. These are all the construction machinery that it'll cover. Volvo, Bobcat, Case, JCBs, New Hollands, Cat, Terex, Doosan, Hitachi, Kubota, Yanmar. These are the trannies that it'll take care of. Allison, Bendix, Eaton's, Haldex, Wabco, Wabash, Voith. Passenger Vehicles, America. Its offerings on the car side aren't as great, but it still can do quite a bit. Buick, Chevy, Chrysler, Dodge, Ford, GM, GMC, Hummer. Sprinter for Europe. It'll cover all OBD. It'll scan them. It'll scan diesel OBDs, and all these general, if you just need to get a scan on it back here. You can do simulate modes. It'll read stored codes, all that kind of stuff. It's really so with this we can go into just so you see, I went into OBD2, and then I'll just grab just OBD2, and then we'll hit diagnose mode, generic, it's initializing. So here we can see our stored trouble codes. Let's see what we've got for. Looks like I've had a random multiple misfire, and then you can kind of go into it here and see what some of the reasons for that would be. Possible faults. Then it has lookups for all of this stuff. You can kind of look up and see what the best course of action is. You can read the pending code. System is normal. So we can also read data streams if we want. So I can start the truck. It's going to get a little loud here, but we'll start it up and I can show you. It'll take up all your, show everything that the car is reading right now. And look up codes and input your codes there. You can go back. I can read these stored codes. I can hit print. It'll print it out for me. So you can see here, printed out the codes. Tells me what it is, possible reasons, that kind of thing. And like I said, you can work with your customers on how to best use those. I can quick show you there's a ton of data in this unit to take a look at stuff. Tons of lookup sections. You can manage your data in several different ways. You can also take pictures of freeze frame stuff and either send it to a card or show your customer right off this unit here. If So you can see here that you have some pretty good info on the car operating, all the parameters that are that anyone would want to see. And then you also have graphical data as well, which is really nice. It'll show all the, it's going to build out these graphs here. You can merge different graphs together if you'd like. It's pretty cool. Again, this is the FCAR-F3SN. If you'd like to take a further look at this unit, visit our website at truckandautodiagnostictools.com. All the links are in the product page below. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this of units and what their software looks like. Make sure and comment below. We'll take all your comments in, and if people want to see more of this kind of stuff, that's no problem. We can do that. So again, truckandautodiagnostictools.com. And we have financing available for anybody that needs it. Can usually get that stuff squared away in a couple hours and get these units out the door. So thanks.